How do AI models make choices? Let's say three friends are deciding on pizza toppings: pepperoni, veggie, or pineapple. They rate their preferences with numbers 2, 1, and -1. These raw scores are called logits. To turn these into percentages, we can't just divide them by the sum. Why? Because negative values like -1 would yield negative probabilities, which is mathematically impossible. To solve this, we use exponents. By raising Euler's number e to the power of each score, every value becomes positive. 2 becomes 7.39, 1 becomes 2.72, and -1 becomes 0.37. Now, we sum them up and divide each by the total. Suddenly, we have beautiful probabilities that sum to exactly 100%. In large language models, the same Softmax function converts raw logits for thousands of potential next words into a clean probability distribution, allowing the model to choose the next logical word in a sentence.